Welcome back for number 3. Number 3 is a little bit different because we're not just dealing with 100 miles. This question says, Samantha is training to run in a long distance race. She runs 1 1/3 miles every day for a week, and a week being 7 days. So how many total miles is she running during that 1 week? So she's running 1 1/3 7 times 7. Okay, so that would be your equation. Now, doing this the traditional way, I suggested that you take your mixed number and you make an improper fraction. It's just easier to work with, I think. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, over the denominator, so 4/3, times 7 over 1. To create the fraction with a whole number, you just put it over 1. And then you multiply across. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 1 is 3. And then we need to reduce this and create a mixed number, not leaving it in the improper state. So 3 times what gets you close to 28? 3 times 9 is 27, so that's kind of perfect. 27. So that's 9 wholes and 1 extra third. So 9 1/3 miles is what Samantha runs during that whole week. So that would be 1 1/3 7 times. So that would be using the traditional method. To use another one of our methods, the visual method, I believe using one of the fraction bar pages would be the most helpful. You could consider each of these one whole. So if we're doing 1 1/3 times 7, or 7 times, each fraction bar is considered like one whole, right? So we could even split this up a little bit and say, well, this is equivalent to 1 times 7 and 1/3 times 7. So we could do each of these independently and still come up with the same answer. So 1 whole 7 times. So here's 1 whole, boop, here's another whole, here's another whole, and another whole. So we'd have to do that 7 times. You might even be able to imagine, okay, so here are my small holes, like this. So here are 7 holes, okay? And then I need to do 7 1/3. So I'm going to keep the same size, but break them up into thirds. And I need 7 of those. Here's 1 of those, 2 of those, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3. So those are the 7 1/3 over here. So now, how many holes, how many whole miles did she run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 holes and 1/3. 8 1/3. So let's look back here. Uh-oh, what happened? What did we do wrong? 6, 7, 8 1/3. What did we do wrong there? Let me do some fancy work here. 28, 24, this is 27 1/3, so that would be 9. What did we do wrong? Oh man, you see what I did? I didn't do 7 1 wholes, did I? I need an extra 1 whole here. Shoot, sorry about that, guys. But thank you for helping me sleuth that out. So this portion right here is 1 whole 7 times, 1 mile 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 miles. And then are there 7 1/3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is not equal to 8 1/3. It's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1/3.